3004, we have the 3-box break starting with 23-24 extended. We have a silver skates of Connor Bedard for Chicago, an outburst base for Pittsburgh of Matt Nieto, and a Young Guns for Buffalo of Matt Savoy. A Beehive Red, number to 250 for the Washington Capitals of Alex Ovechkin. Seeing Red for Boston of Pasternak, and a Beehive for Dallas of Matt Murray. UD3 of Marco Kasper for Detroit, a Ridley Grieg draft day for Ottawa, and a canvas for Chicago of Ryan Donato. Silver skates for Edmonton of Leon Draisaitl, Leo Carlson, Anaheim Ducks Hollow View, and a draft day of Jacob Pelletier for Calgary. Seeing Red for Minnesota of Kirill Kaprizov, Seeing Red for Toronto of John Tavares, and a Beehive for Buffalo of Rasmus Dahlin. UD3 of Walker Dewar for Calgary, Robbie Jarventi, Young Guns for Ottawa, and a canvas for Montreal of Juraj Slavkovsky. A Hockey Heroes clear cut for Chicago of Hossa, Dazzlers of Draisaitl for Edmonton, and a Young Guns retro of Matthew Poitras for Boston. UD3 of Zach Benson for Buffalo, Seeing Red for Florida of Matthew Tkachuk, and a Young Guns for Columbus of Adam Fantilli. Rookie Gems Double Diamond for Nashville of Askarov, retro for St. Louis of Jordan Kyrou, and a canvas for Pittsburgh of Crosby. Hollow View for Vancouver of Brock Besser, Young Guns retro for New Jersey of Luke Hughes, and a black and white canvas for Buffalo of Owen Power. Silver skates for Vegas of Eichel, Seeing Red for Arizona of Zucker, and a Cal Klang Young Guns for Anaheim. A single diamond for Seattle of Philip Grubauer, Beehive rookie for Boston of Matthew Poitras, and a canvas for Toronto of John Tavares. We have a PCs for Anaheim of Zegras, Deep Roots for Toronto of Morgan Riley, and an honor roll for New Jersey of Luke Hughes. Instinctive for the Rangers of Shesterkin, Young Guns for LA of Laferriere, and a canvas of Barzal for the Islanders. Monster Season for Edmonton of McDavid, Ecliptic for Tampa of Braden Point, and an honor roll for Toronto of Bobby McMahon. PCs of Crosby for Pittsburgh, Young Guns for Anaheim of Minchikov, and an outburst for the Rangers of Igor Shesterkin. Instinctive for LA of Copley, canvas for Vegas of Logan Thompson, and a portraits of Pelletier for Calgary. Instinctive for Vancouver of Thatcher Demko, Deep Roots of Sagan for Dallas, and a Hardy Hamon Octel, Young Guns for Washington. Instinctive for Boston of Linus Ullmark. We have a clear-cut base for Ottawa of Jake Sanderson, and an honor roll for Dallas of Matt Murray. PCs of Eric Carlson for San Jose, John Ludwig, Young Guns for Pittsburgh, and a Young Guns canvas for the Anaheim Ducks of Jackson Lacombe. Ecliptic for New Jersey of Jack Hughes, Deep Roots of Cam Fowler for Anaheim, and an honor roll for Ottawa of Ridley Greig. We have a Director of Boards Gold of Michael Pizzetta for Montreal, PCs of Jack Eichel for Vegas, and a Young Guns for Anaheim of Jackson Lacombe. PCs for Vancouver of Pedersen, Canvas of Teravainen for Carolina, and a Gritty Portraits for Philly. A Dazzlers for the Rangers of Panarin, Pat Maroon, Director of Boards for Tampa, and a Michael Patilla Young Guns for Columbus. We have a piece ease for Calgary of Tyler Toffoli, a clear cut for Buffalo of Middlestad, and a portraits for San Jose of Brent Burns. Instinctive for Anaheim of John Gibson, Young Guns for Calgary of Connor Zary, and a canvas of Granlund for Pittsburgh. Ecliptic for Ottawa of Stutzel, Deep Roots for Edmonton of Draisaitl, and an honor roll for Calgary of Dustin Wolf. Dazzlers Pink for Buffalo of Darlene, Director of Boards of Foligno for Minnesota, and a Young Guns for Columbus of Billy Sweezy. Director of Boards for Philly of Delorier, Canvas for Boston of Jake DeBrusk, and an honor roll for Chicago of Cole Gutman. Dazzlers for Arizona of Clayton Keller, PCs of Makar for Colorado, and a Young Guns for St. Louis of Hugh McGing. Instinctive for Winnipeg of Hellebuck, Young Guns for Chicago of Korchinski, and a Young Guns Outburst for Ottawa of Manson Paulo. An Instinctive for Minnesota of Gustafson, Dominic Kubalik Canvas for Detroit, and an honor roll for Vegas of Yuri Patera. PCs of Larkin for Detroit, Deep Roots for Pittsburgh of Malkin, and a Fraser Minton Young Guns for Toronto. Instinctive for San Jose of Capo Kakinen, William Karlsson Deep Roots for Vegas, and an honor roll for Ottawa of Gwinnett. PCs for Ottawa of Stutzel, Ty Cartier Young Guns for Seattle, and a Pedersen Canvas for Vancouver. Monster Season for Edmonton of McDavid, Ecliptic for the Rangers of Panarin, and a Portraits for Buffalo of Tage Thompson. There we go.